Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Rehan School, Islamabad, Affairs campus at foundation level. So today, viewers, my TEDx topic is "Log Kya Kahenge" by Moiz Shokat. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I want to share my review of the inspiring TEDx talk "Log Kya Kahenge" by Moiz Shokat. In this talk, Moish Shokat discussed one of the biggest fears many people face in life, the fear of other people's opinions. The phrase "log kya kahenge," meaning what will people say, often stops individual from following their dreams, expressing themselves, or making bold decisions. Moise explains how society judgment can create invisible pressure that controls our choices. Many people sacrifice their happiness, passion, and personal growth because they are too worried about criticism for others. A key message from the talk is that living for other people's approval can prevent us from discovering our true potential. Moise encourages us to focus on your values, goals, and purpose instead of constantly seeking validation from society. He reminds us that criticism is unavoidable no matter what we do. Some people will always have opinion. Therefore, success comes from staying true to yourself rather than trying to satisfy everyone. This TEDx teaches us that courage means making decisions based on what is right for your future, not based on fear of judgment. In conclusion, लोग क्या कहेंगे is a powerful reminder that growth begins when we stop letting society opinions control our lives. Thank you. So, viewer, this is my TEDx on the topic of "Log Kya Kahenge" by Moish Shokat. So, this is successfully done. So, viewer, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Zinda.